Okay, we'll do the ear part, not the inner ear yet. Ready? I just need to pick it to get the edge. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Awesome.
Wait, you think... Oh. Okay.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Put some dark between this and you. Yeah.
That's a man.
Pretty awesome.
That is...
Put it coming out of your shirt on your chest.
Yeah, that's a man.
Yeah, this is manly chest hair.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this part. Show her inside. This is gonna. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Shoot! Oh!
Wow, there's a lot coming out.
Okay,
You ready?
Yeah.
This might have not been a good idea.
You're gonna rip my ear off.
No, it's just the hairs.